On the off chance that you're searching for REN cost expectations figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and explicitly need to sort of know where the costs of REN will go later on in a significant way. We will break down the past costs of REN, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities in a really significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unimaginable in an essentially significant manner. In any case, we will make an honest effort, which is genuinely critical. How about we start? REN past value examination. As per the essentially the most recent information accumulated, the truly current cost of REN is $0.057, and REN is at present positioned number 334 in every way that really matters. Whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of REN is 999,127,500, with a market cap of $57,271,059. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.59% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the REN with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Or so they thought. REN is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The REN is down to nearly 4.64% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for past beautiful few days. The coin could really serious areas of strength for have in any case. We don't generally believe that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of REN diminished by 51.791%, taking out an incredible certainly normal amount of $0.062 from its kind of current worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase and open door for kind of fast venture. The 90 days cost change is near 34.05%, and the cost flowed from a base typical cost of $0.078 to truly most extreme kind of normal cost of $0.088 in the beyond 90 days. REN is somewhere near 11.54%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin was around $0.080, and the truly least truly normal value of was around $0.056 in every way that really matters. Recent months. We anticipate future REN cost expectations. REN conjecture, by applying profound man-made brainpower, helps specialized investigation on the kind of past value information of REN. We give our altogether most certainly greatest authentic information for the REN coin, which in a real sense incorporate commonly various boundaries, like extremely past value, REN market cap, REN volume, and kind of hardly any more, which basically is very critical. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and truly need sort of good profit from all things considered, your speculations truly make a point to peruse our forecasts. REN value forecast 2023. The cost of 1 REN truly is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $0.065 in 2023. The REN cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.073, with the typical cost of $0.068, all through 2023. REN value forecast 2024. As per our profound specialized examination on kind of past value information of REN, in 2024, the cost of REN is anticipated to truly reach at any rate level of $0.100. The REN cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 12 cents, with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging cost of 10 cents. Kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. REN value estimate for 2025. According to the figure in specialized examination, in 2025, the cost of REN in every practical sense is supposed to reach at a truly least value worth of 14 cents in a significant manner. The REN cost can really arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value worth of 18 cents, with the typical worth of 15 cents, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking, as opposed to mainstream thinking. REN value expectation 2026. The cost of REN explicitly is somewhat anticipated to, for the most part, reach at least worth of 20 cents in 2026, which is very critical. The REN cost could basically arrive at a most extreme worth of 25 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 21 cents all through 2026, which is very huge. REN value expectation 2027. The cost of REN for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to essentially reach at a by and large least worth of 28 cents in 2027. The REN cost could arrive at a really most extreme worth of 35 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 29 cents, all through 2027. REN value expectation 2028. REN cost is estimated to arrive at a most minimal, all things considered, conceivable degree of 41 cents in 2028, in spite of mainstream thinking. According to our discoveries, the REN cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 49 cents, with the typical gauge cost of 42 cents. REN value expectation 2029. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2029, the cost of REN basically is anticipated to, for the most part, reach at least degree of 60 cents, which explicitly is very huge. The REN cost can arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $1.06, with the genuinely normal cost of 93 cents all through 2030, which is very huge. REN value expectation 2031. As per our especially profound specialized examination on past value information of REN, in 2031, the cost of REN is determined to truly be at around a base worth of $1.37. The REN value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.60, with the typical exchanging worth of $1.41 in United States dollars, in an extremely huge way, which is genuinely critical. REN value expectation 2032. REN cost especially is estimate to arrive at a sort of the least conceivable degree of $2.02 in 2032, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. According to our discoveries, the REN cost could arrive at a greatest in every practical sense conceivable degree of $2.44, with the typical estimate cost of $2.09, or so they especially thought. REN value estimate facts. How genuinely much will REN by and large be worth in 2030? As far as value, REN basically has a remarkable kind of potential to arrive at new levels. As a matter of fact, it in every practical sense is gauged that REN will increment in esteem, as indicated by unambiguous specialist